Hello beautiful people, in this video I will show you the incredible benefits of leafy green vegetables. Let's get started. Leafy green vegetables are an important part of a healthy diet. They're packed with vitamins, minerals and fiber but low in calories. Eating a diet rich in leafy greens can offer numerous health benefits including reduced risk of obesity, heart disease, high blood pressure and mental decline. Here are some of the healthiest leafy green vegetables to include in your diet. Kale. Kale is considered one of the most nutrient-dense vegetables on the planet due to its many vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. For example, 1 cup 67 grams of raw kale packs 684% of the daily value DV for vitamin K, 206% of the DV for vitamin A and 134% of the DV for vitamin C. It also contains antioxidants such as lutein and beta-carotene, which reduce the risk of diseases caused by oxidative stress. To benefit most from all that kale has to offer, it's best consumed raw since cooking can reduce its nutrient profile. Microgreens. Microgreens are immature greens produced from the seeds of vegetables and herbs. They typically measure 1 to 3 inches. Since the 1980s, they have often been used as a garnish or decoration, but they have many more uses. Despite their small size, they're full of color, flavor and nutrients. In fact, one study found that microgreens contain up to 40 times more nutrients compared to their mature counterparts. Some of these nutrients include vitamins C, E and K. Collard greens. Collard greens are loose-leaf greens, related to kale and spring greens. They have thick leaves that taste slightly bitter. They're similar in texture to kale and cabbage. In fact, their name comes from the word colewort. Collard greens are a good source of calcium and the vitamins A, B9 and C. Spinach. Spinach is a popular leafy green vegetable and is easily incorporated into a variety of dishes, including soups, sauces, smoothies and salads. Its nutrient profile is impressive with 1 cup 30 grams of raw spinach providing 181% of the DV for vitamin K, 56% of the DV for vitamin A and 13% of the DV for manganese. Tea is also packed with folate, which plays a key role in red blood cell production and the prevention of neural tube defects in pregnancy. Cabbage. Cabbage is formed of clusters of thick leaves that come in green, white and purple colors. It belongs to the Brassica family, along with Brussels sprouts, kale and broccoli. Vegetables in this plant family contain glucosinolates, which give them a bitter flavor. Animal studies have found that foods that contain these plant compounds may have cancer protective properties, especially against lung and esophageal cancer. Another benefit of cabbage is that it can be fermented and turned into sauerkraut, which provides numerous health benefits, such as improving your digestion and supporting your immune system. It may even aid weight loss. That was it for today's informative video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to press the subscribe video to see more videos coming from the Health as a Wealth channel.